Did you know AI is now modeling climate change by simulating cow burps? Yes, you heard it right. Scientists have discovered that methane emissions from cows significantly impact global warming. Using AI, researchers create virtual cows to study and predict these emissions more accurately. This quirky approach helps in understanding how livestock contributes to climate change and finding ways to reduce it. By tweaking virtual cow diets, AI can suggest real-world changes to lower methane output. So, next time you see a cow, remember its burp might just be a key to saving the planet. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.